Bells Upside Down. Good piggy. Geraldine, you did it. You did it. He finally did the Jingle Bells Upside Down. I had such difficulty getting that on video before. Geraldine. Okay guys, I just want to show you guys Geraldine doing the Jingle Bells upside down and or laying on his back. Whoops. I'm watching a Netflix movie. Geraldine, you did it. Let's see where Cuckoo Nut is. Cuckoo Nut. Are you pretty, Cuckoo Nut? Are you pretty, Cuckoo Nut? I love how his wings crisscross. It's so cute. Cuckoo Nut. Cuckoo Nut won't go upside down. He doesn't tolerate being on his back whatsoever. Right, Cuckoo Nut? Yeah, you make your own rules. You make your own rules, Cuckoochie. Kissy, kissy. Aw, good pitty. Cuckoo Nut, kissy, kissy. Aw, good bird. Cuckoo Nut, wanna kissy, kissy? Kissy, kissy. Aw, good baby. I make him give me little kisses. Come on, Cuckoo Nut. Say hello to YouTube. Woo! Hi, Cuckoo Nut. Cuckoo Nut. Okay, Cuckoo Nut. Okay, guys. I'm so sorry for this short video, but it's like way past my bedtime. So, thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys. Bye-bye, Cuckoo Nut. Hey, Geraldine.
Don't remove the Asian landmark a long, long time ago. This is the time of the apocalypse, the dream of the lasting peace. I tell you what, value your modern life.